Whenever I train people on how to do videos on their own, they always first ask me, how much should I expect to invest? Hi, Taylor here with Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on one of our videos, please make sure you're subscribed to our channel and click on that bell so you're notified when new videos are uploaded every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time. For one-to-one training or just to support our content, please click above and connect with us on our Patreon page. So I train a lot of people how to do videos on their own because they might be just starting off or they might just really want to learn. And I always tell people that they're going to want to invest in about $200 worth of equipment. If you're thinking of spending $500 or more, you really might as well just hire a professional team like ourselves because you really are going to get a lot more with that particular investment than if you were to spend that same amount of money on equipment. And so $200 is about what you want to invest in, and you're going to want to get something to hold your camera, which more than likely is going to be your tablet or your phone, light you well, and make it so we can hear you really well. And so what equipment you should really invest in is going to be dependent upon what type of videos you're going to be producing. On our website, on the equipment tab, you're gonna see there's a beautiful list of different types of equipment that we recommend. And they're broken up into categories, and they're also broken up into categories of startup and professional. And so if you're learning how to do videos on your own, I always say start in the startup section. And so what you're going to want is you're going to want a cell phone clamp or a tripod to hold your cell phone. You're going to need some lighting and you're going to need a microphone. If you're primarily going to be doing stationary talking head videos like this, then you can get away with about $160 investment. That would be purchasing a ring light, which also acts as your tripod, as well as a wireless lapel mic. Yes, there are other options than the wireless lapel. However, the wireless lapel just feels a lot more comfortable and it gives you more flexibility in the distance from your camera and how you can move around your scene. If you plan on moving around a lot, then you're going to be investing in about $175 worth of equipment because you're going to want to get a $100 gimbal. You're still gonna want that $60 wireless microphone, and then you're gonna wanna get a $14 on-the-go LED light that can attach to your gimbal and phone. Once again, it really comes down to what type of videos you want to produce, and that will then make the difference on what equipment you should be purchasing. However, on average, to do videos on your own well, you need to spend about $200. Another note I want to give you if you're planning on doing your own videos is make sure to look at your own camera settings. Most of our cameras these days do record in 1080. However, there are a lot out there that can record in 4K. And if you have the capabilities to do so, go for it. So take a look at your camera settings on your phone, switch it to 4K. It's going to give you a little more flexibility if you choose to really dive a little deeper with your video editing. Video editing is a whole other conversation that we can have, but I hope this helps you have a better understanding for how much money you should invest in equipment-wise if you're doing videos on your own. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you do want to have a one-to-one conversation, please don't hesitate to reach out.